Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty DRV Center. Today I'm going to show you a late model that just showed up. It is a 2021 DRV Houston model. Big triple axle, nice home on wheels. This is the front master bathroom up front with a bath and a half floor plan. Very, very nice, very luxurious. You know, if you're looking for that luxury home on wheels, this is it. This is a beautiful model. I can't wait to show you the inside. So here we are on the inside of this DRV Mobile Suites Houston model. Nice, very large living area. Lots of cabinets throughout. This particular model in the Houston has the desk area, so if you're living and like to do your work at a desk area rather than on the couch, this is the floor plan for you. Has a nice desk area going down into the theater seating, into the living room, watching direct onto the television with the fireplace below. Again, tons of cabinetry throughout. Big, large residential style furniture with the big sofa that's a pull-out, makes into a hide-a-bed. This has a Louisiana carpet cut, so there's no carpet in the living room area other than what's underneath the furniture. So that makes it real nice for cleaning or pet friendly or whatnot. Nice large island with sink in the island in the middle. Big counter space, elongated counter space in the kitchen. Big oven, large residential style microwave. Lots of cabinetry. Again, tons of cabinetry throughout. This has the Elite Suite wood valances throughout above the windows, and the 3-door large residential insignia refrigerator freezer. And then as we move toward the front of the fifth wheel, we have the half bath with the washer and dryer connections and closet in the half bath downstairs. So we get the full closet above for our wardrobe. Then as we go upstairs, we get into the king-size bed with the vanity slide out that's going to get us about 8 drawers. Another TV in the bedroom with the sound bar. And then as we move forward into the very large double sink, large vanitied master bathroom. And then in the very front end, a walk-in closet. The Houston is going to get you probably the deepest, largest closet of the DRV Mobile Suites floor plan. So if that's what you're looking for as well, this has the very large closet. So as we walk through, you're going to notice a lot of residential features on this. So it is a very, very nice luxury fifth wheel, and or some people may call it a home on wheels. If you have any questions regards to the Mobile Suites product, make sure you ask for me. If you don't ask for me, you're not going to get me, and I'm not going to be able to help you. It is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.